talking about returns. But if you think you know what's coming next, you don't know Diva.
I don't want to ruin the surprise.
It's the Divalicious season premiere, Drop Dead Diva, Sunday, June 23rd at 9 on Lifetime. The Clan List season finale, Sunday at 9 on Lifetime.
Terry Tassie is an uptight taskmaster who trains her kids for success with endless order and constant control. She swapped lives with chaos-loving mom Michelle Tyson, who lets her family live in total anarchy. For the first week, the wives live by their new family's rules. Later, they get to make some changes.
This week, we'll eat nothing but takeout. Is it better to be fat and